Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to fix the problem of TikTok not being able to follow an account. So without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. For that, we're going to open the TikTok app. And basically, if you are not being able to follow anybody, there can be multiple reasons behind it. First off, TikTok has a limitation of the number of people you can follow in a certain amount of time. So we're gonna search that up basically. So basically, it says that there is a daily limit of around 200 accounts that can be followed per day to prevent spamming. And then again, the platform may also temporarily restrict your account for 24 hours if you follow a large number of accounts very quickly. Also, you can only perform up to 15 follow actions in one session. With that in mind, you can do 10 follows an hour. That means if you are actually following more than 10 people on TikTok all at once, then that would mean that TikTok is going to notice that as spam and is going to block you from following any other further accounts on TikTok. So that might be something that is not allowing you to follow an account. So if you want to prevent that, all you can do is just follow 10 accounts in an hour, and then if you want to follow more people on TikTok, then wait for an hour to pass, and then after an hour has passed properly, then you can follow more 10 accounts. I mean, that's how you can actually follow people on TikTok. So you just have to wait a few hours, and if that's not the case, then what you can do is update your TikTok account. Update your TikTok app from App Store. So basically, if you search up TikTok, and if it says open, that means your app is up to date. But if your one says update, that means you have to update the app. Even if that doesn't work, then you can go to settings, go to general, and then you can open the iPhone storage and scroll down to find TikTok. You can offload the app and then reinstall it. So that would clear all the cache files, and that's how you can solve the problem of not being able to follow accounts on TikTok. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of us on your For You page, you can subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be very glad to help you guys. And that's it for today. We will see you in the next video.